Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations. I'm trusting God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing and DIY project which is in honor of all the cancer survivors people. I myself also a thyroid cancer survivor, so I am very excited for today project. As we know, we all are in a COVID season and we still have to wear masks, so I thought that would be a great idea to use our cancer surviving pin, monograms or logo, whatever you have in your hand, on your mask, so you can tell to word or other people's your story of your bravery and how you survived. So this project you can sew, and you can also, like I have this logo. I already have the sticky glue, but I still will be able to sew on top of that to secure this patch with my fabric. I'm excited for this project, so let's go ahead and start it. So I just did a hot iron on top of this logo, and as you can see, it's already pretty steady, and with the glue very nicely stick with the fabric. So I just gonna wait little bit till this glue get to cool down, and then we will head to our sewing machine to sew on top of around the edges. So by waiting till this logo get cooled down, if you are interested how to learn and make this fabric mask, you can just go to my channel, and video is already there. I will also try to put in a description box, and also if you want to add your custom made logo or whatever logo you have, I also have a video how to attach your logos onto your projects, so I will also share that video as well. And I'm sure you will enjoy those projects too. So our logo got cooled down, and again I'm using two different kind of threads. One which match the barbon thread is matching with my the back fabric, and the top thread I'm using match with my logo. So we're just gonna follow the guideline around the edges, and we will keep forwarding. Remember, always start with the straight stitch and back stitch to secure your thread. And because we had to give time, our the logo glue get cooled down, that's why it's so easy now to sew. Otherwise I had did couple projects by mistake, and the glue was keep attaching with my needle. So you have to give time to your glue to cool down. I'm doing this very slowly, because if I had a straight stitch then I had no problem, but because they have a curves, so I want to make sure my every stitch is on the curve. And then we can move from here. So if I show you, I just sew the one side. You see that? I had start through one side, and then I moved here around the circle, and I take my needle here, and then I moved here on this side, and I close my thread already. Now I'm gonna start from here and then go inside here, and then I will be moving, and then I will be going to straight here, and our project will be done. And extra threads I will be cutting later. That's it. See that? How nicely. Just gonna cut extra threads. And as you can see, we have did our project very nicely. Now after stitching, this monogram is steady, and that's not gonna go anywhere. And even the back side look nice, you know, because we use matching thread, so there's not much mess. I'm sure you have enjoyed watching our today's sewing episode. This project was a very special. If you are a cancer survivor, or you know somebody from your family, friends, or group of circles who is cancer survivor or still battling with the cancer, all the love and prayers goes to them, and know that you can beat this battle. You can win this battle with all the love and prayers. Appreciate you all guys for watching my channel regular. You gave so much love to my channel, which I really appreciate that. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers. I just want to encourage you to share the love, positivity, and encouragement around the world, because we are living in very difficult times where everybody need a little love. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.